Andropause, mmarima menopause no, and started 50 years, started 30 years, even worse than women need you know. Oba who date bema or 30 years, one to bema na say amunt mean date because I be a friend irritable male syndrome. Asha sia, oka say guy ni subanye, like video no me chiro ni na video mu. Na emwa ware na amunt me hwem ho ye. O bema na who go through that situation no, obi dey faster than obi. Me chiro dey ma bi mu dey faster. And kwanya abefa so be improving na enko ntem na omema ye na ginam mo am waste can medically metro procedure obetim dey improve and ma no menopause for no so in this video metro mo dey mo so mo be ya mo be improve mo dey ntimo like video na mo share ma obi ana Ghana fo nyina metie bi bema ye so ye bema nyina ne se wo hormone bi wo mu a ye frɛ no testosterone from androgen mo am nim no and oba so e wo hormone ye frɛ no estrogen we ne differentiate oba ne bema na bema unye 30 a ene mpo bi wa ye ni 30 ye nua na ye di nti na wo testosterone level na sha ase air drop enti wo ye bema so a biological clock da so enye ma no ko because sperm quality no e dependent on your age it is a opening so trainer 40 years na betima wo ba fine wo testosterone level hit 30 na drop no a sha ase na obi de dwane papa ntententem na ekọ e start pe na irritable male syndrome na sha ase bibia ye guy na hi I mean, on said that happy. Ten be or you're very low motivated. Ten be as any pressure was so. I said, or percent in Sakan DB. Or your ban or be power won't mean young mere markets. Or for back on our case why busy and here no one throw beam or more money I no. So I didn't know who I asked a guy in the Suban guy in the Subano. Meaning I irritable male syndrome. Which me akusuan the alpha home. And no ma bearman or hate it or that's as by dino. Now it's only because the testosterone level I shall see a drop it. Near 5 years, me bobo see e improve e dropping 10 or here work crantem. First one is obesity, second is stress, third one is poor sleep, fourth one is alcohol and drugs, and the fifth one is chronic disease. You starting with obesity, you can be obese around. The case here air cosro, the fat cells na shall see accumulate. I don't know why be who ni part we why case also in chamber you know team say yes radio ben no for you shall say air bobo. Na dia Ghana for ye nim ne say fat cells on enzyme bi wom sa enzyme they find the aromatase enzyme aromatase to me convert testosterone to estrogen into we be ma de na mom o se be da emma su benya di ye be ma bi kwa mia no for nsu ba me na me ka chero o testosterone level na e wo mu no wo ye kesi bebre na aromatase enzyme will convert aromatase no fat cells no dia mo ye kesi na emu ne wo ebekwa convert o testosterone no e dey akọ estrogen na afi o da emma su benya di bebre. Second one is stress. Wow, you stress on. I mean, I'm sorry for whatever reason now you stress. Say yeah, juma say yeah, akwantu say yeah, worry. Show who ye as bema because I dey control stress e we nipa duam. Your friend cortisol. Sa hormone ma kan kire oda wonim. Sa hormone cortisol no. Ye nyina ye establishing na say ono ne handle your stress. And I mema ye so testosterone and handle your mema ye. Sa ankrofo mi ni we nyina afri agya ba akọ papa ba akọ na wo mo nti biologically omo ye rivals omo ko omo prepare de ebedi ade enti wa stress do so wo so no we be produce more cortisol. In other words ade ba akọ ya ma nso cap ma na modi be yeti no nti se wo hwie mu 70% de koye cortisol a de aka na 30 and na wo de ba be testosterone. Sa papa na oye mo agya no mo grandfather no na cholesterol. So what is cholesterol a on your grandfather na grandfather na be wo papa no friend no pregnenolone ho nipa ndin ho komo kese minim de enti a won ye agya no enti se wo issue your stress bebre ye kan wo mpenafo mienu oyere baako o ma miensa wo han dan ye mo wakatua na ye 2000 a wo de be so bi sa fie issue no kwa ma wa be de ka ena de ni stress no so ye ma na 2000 a otimi nya bi save edibi de o save ni edito bank no ena ye testosterone no nti nsuo na ede ma mtam onye tea no stress was nti hwie more of the nsuo de cortisol ena ade kitua bi ekoye testosterone na ni ehu ni say cortisol na asen abasoro no na wasen ekoye negative feedback wa adwene mu ono na we stress hormone na ono nti ye ntima produce more testosterone no ketwa na yesen produce 30% no no na akọ hypothalamus wa adwene mu akọ ba bi e friend GnRH ma this ankomo ne da gonadotropin releasing hormone no aka kire no so aka kire wo pituitary gland no nti LH luteinizing hormone kese ntimi produce na akọ ka kire testis no ama wa produce testosterone So stress is very bad. Yeah, we need a poor sleep. So that in a deep sleep, and 70% of testosterone are produced. So imagine you not getting deep sleep. 70% of testosterone what done our good sleep no and a produce. It is one to me and just sleep no so drastically bones need too much. Or remember here cough muntem. Or you can testify. Walk you can testify. Weak erection, you can testify. Because you are not getting good sleep. Yeah, you good sleep. I am drugs na alcohol. Alcohol ne drugs. Drugs be account high. Ni na be count. And for ni nyina bi ka ho mepacho wo sha ase drugs a ye hwe no testis num cells a omoboa produce testosterone ya kan kire hwe no so produce testosterone e obi na wo factory ha o ye adwuma no ye from the Leydig cells sa Leydig cells we so wo kono mo nsa ye wo niema e live life rough na wapai mapai na wo destroy sa cells na order no background na obi anu ho be produce there are no workers in the factory. Although your car had the raw materials number, there's no worker in the factory to go put the machine on. That's the Leydig cell. Until alcohol and drugs can also destroy testosterone level. And the last one I'll talk about is a chronic disease. You cause a chronic disease, a bit of diabetes. When you diabetes, or insulin was cells no, be resistant to insulin. Not to only insulin, no, but to other hormones. For which hormones can you tianse betima ma mema ye aba from drastically me patron niema we ya me twan for nyina a kire wi wo betima improve na ya fa exercise kan wabra bon wate you can be lifting weight ni ne kese wo gym and se testosterone level e wo soro wo betima wo gym na mbo you stressed wo produce ya to consume everything overnight nti tie me yi nti ye exercise kakra na wanya good sleep na wo di aduane healthy fat te say avocado pear fat na wo me healthy the aduane are healthy, whole food. Now what is aduane? Your supplement ubetimi afa aka ho bit zinc, vitamin D supplements. Unya bi ka ho a ene so timi boa. Wa always ka betimi akọ the medical way no. Your free BB hormone replacement therapy and I say testosterone replacement therapy. And also ubetimi akọ yebi. Me nimba bi organ ha de na mom. You can make inquiry and find out. E ma na mo ye ne so ye many person. Also timi hormone replacement therapy bi. Enti wa makacha so yo ba wa dro perimenopause a ohu sa niam nyina video no me de ato ho wa won hwe ye kohwe Facebook, Instagram, ba bia ho platform ni nyina ho TikTok obetimi akọ na wa hwe wo ye oba na oso anya bia fi media na ye bo Ojekun Francis me ye biomedical scientist na me ye self-taught tricologist ndi be ma wapampamu pa man twen ansa mo amopese mo fo beard mo amopese mo to baba shop niema nkonwa anhwehwe sterilizer ne niema nyina me na meton sa niema nyina Ghana wo bio sell fofora me na meton mo tie mi fofiri nti am meto bi ma me wate Accra ni Kumasi na me wo na me ye nationwide delivery Accra me wo Santa Maria ha na Kumasi me wo Adum Kofo clinic enti udru afre me ana send me WhatsApp message na yemfa bi mbrɛ na me won sure na omwo o chena ye Sunday happy Sunday na mo nim de ya na ye bo am ye on Sunday you better discuss something beautiful. God bless you.